Welcome back to Stonehouse Acres. Follow along as we build life-size Legos, 40 inches, 30 inches, and 20 inches. Let's go. I started off with pre-cutting 3/4 inch plywood. To start, I used tight bond glue to glue all the edges for a secure connection and bonding, and then utilized 1.5" 18 gauge brad nailers, which then I put down each edge. Next, I used a wood filler to seal up all of the brad nail holes, as well as the creases and gaps between each board. This allows for a more finished look after painting. I then sanded each box up to 150 grit in preparation for primer and final paint. I used a 6-inch Milwaukee hole saw to cut the Lego studs out of 3/4 inch plywood. Now began the tedious job of adhering these studs to the boxes itself, using levels, clamps, and medium-thick CA glue from Starbond. Here's the finished product of the 30-inch Lego. Finally, time to prime. Each box, I utilized a Rust-Oleum rattle can wood primer with the extended handle that you can purchase at Home Depot for ease of spraying. I decided to hand paint or roll on the larger block. This is the 4x4 block, doing a red standard Lego color. Here is the finished yellow 20-inch 2x2 block. Here is the finished red 4x4 block. And finally, the finished 3x3 blue block. Thanks for following along. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy the life-size Legos.